Ideas for profitable vlogs. Sometimes it can be tough to come up with that winning idea for a vlog that will make you a healthy profit. So, to help you, we have some great ideas for you in this video. We hope that you find an idea here that you can run with. Video games. Are you someone that enjoys playing video games a lot? There are so many people that play video games these days, and there is always room for another great vlog on the subject. New games appear all the time, and with the rise in popularity of Amazon's Twitch TV, there is so much scope for you to create quality videos. The secret to a successful video game vlog is providing the gaming community with what they want. If they enjoy the videos you create, then they will spread the word for you and your vlog will grow exponentially. Here are some ideas for videos you can create. You playing a specific game and cracking a level or beating a boss, monster, etc. A live stream about a particular game. A review of a game, old or new. Your top 10 video games. Create a game walkthrough. Provide gaming news videos. Tutorials or how-tos. A lot of people search YouTube to find out how to do something. So do you have a particular set of skills, or are you an expert in a particular subject? If so, then a series of how-to videos would be a great vlogging idea for you. People are always using the internet to ask questions, and videos are far and away the most popular medium that people choose to get the answers that they need. There are just endless opportunities for how-to video tutorials. You can definitely promote affiliate products or sell your own products on the back of a vlog like this. Here are some ideas for you. How to build something. How to make money online. Life skills. Personal development skills. How to get a girlfriend or boyfriend and subsequent relationship advice. Learn a new language. How to get that new job and keep it. How to make money in stocks, foreign exchange, etc. Computers and tech. Do you like computers and tech gadgets? Are you an expert on mobile devices? There are so many people that just love computers and tech and would be delighted to find out what is coming next, etc. The world of technology changes all of the time, so you will never run out of ideas for videos. Here are some good ideas. Useful apps for your smartphone. The best laptops. How to use popular software such as Microsoft Office. New technology reviews. Tech product comparisons. Computer hacks and little-known shortcuts. Create your own website. Registering a domain name. How to make your computer faster. How to fix common computer problems. Weight loss and fitness. Do you have knowledge about how to lose weight and keep it off? Are you a fitness expert? The demand for how-to videos in this area is huge, and the subject is so vast that you should never run out of new ideas for videos. Here are some ideas to think about. Weight loss tips. Compare popular diets, in other words, paleo, keto, etc. Healthy eating recipes. How to avoid food and beverages that will make you gain weight. Exercising for beginners. How to do an exercise properly, in other words, push-ups. How to get fit and ripped without going to the gym. The benefits of yoga. Specific yoga exercises. Personal development. This is another huge subject. People always want to improve their lives, and if you have the knowledge to help them do this, then it can open all kinds of doors for you. Here are some great ideas for videos. X ways to be more confident. How to overcome your fears. How to break through your comfort zone. How to set goals and achieve them. How to increase your self-esteem. How to be a great conversationalist. How to persuade people to do anything. How to use NLP to change your life. How to stop living in the past. Travel. Do you like traveling? Have you been or plan to go on an adventure across the world? Can you provide recommendations for the best things to do in popular countries and cities? Do you want to spend your life traveling the world and enjoying new experiences? So many other people do as well. It is true that there are already a lot of travel vlogs out there, but there is always room for more. Just do something different to the rest. Here are some ideas for you. Cool places you won't have visited. The Insider Guide to a popular tourist attraction. Finding those isolated beaches. How to survive in location. The top 10 places you must visit. The best way to pack a suitcase. Traveling on a budget. Music. Are you a musician? Can you teach people how to play an instrument or how to sing properly? Do you know a lot about retro music? Music is huge on YouTube, and good how-to videos are always popular. Here are some ideas for you. How to play the guitar. How to play drums. How to sing. How to fix a broken instrument. The best guitars or whatever instrument available. How to read and write music. Famous song covers. How to write great lyrics. the best bands of genre, decade, etc. How to use an audio editor to mix music. Music equipment reviews. Pets. Some of the most popular videos on YouTube are about pets. Everyone has seen a funny cat video or a dog doing special tricks. There are many animal lovers in the world and they can't get enough content about pets. Here are some great video ideas. How to take care of your pet. Cat, dog, guinea pig, horse, etc. How to train your dog. There's so many possibilities here. How to teach your cat or dog to do tricks. The best clothes for your cat or dog. The best names for your new pet. The best accessories for your new pet. How to groom your pet. Exotic pets. Traveling with your pet. The best food for your pet. Beauty. Are you someone that knows how to apply makeup correctly? Are you in touch with all the latest fashions? Can you provide tips and advice for smoother and healthier skin? This market is massive and the demand for information will always be there. Here are some great video ideas. Different makeup tutorials. How to make your skin look younger. How to take care of your hair. The best outfits for the larger person. The latest fashion accessories you must have. How to choose the perfect outfit for the occasion. The best shoes for women. The latest fashion trends. How to look stunning on a budget. Manicure and pedicure tutorials. Cooking, recipes, and food. Can you teach people how to cook? Can you show them how to create great tasting meals? Do you have great recipes to share? Do you know the best restaurants? Can you tell people what to eat when they visit specific countries or cities? Food is a huge subject and always in demand. Here are some awesome video ideas for you. How to cook, whatever it is. Eating well on a budget. The best dishes in? The top 10 restaurants in. How to make healthy snacks. The best foods for losing weight. Exotic cooking. Recipes for dishes you have never heard of. The must-have kitchen accessories. How to prepare food properly. How to bake perfect cakes. Meals that will delight your family. What to eat when you are visiting. We hope that you find these ideas inspiring. Creating a vlog that contains how-to videos is a great way to go, and you will be able to monetize in a number of different ways. This is not an exhaustive list by any means, so have a good look at what you know and develop a plan for your vlog.